What's up, guys? I made a video yesterday and it wasn't good at all. I got home from school and I edited and it was just plain horrible. I think I was just trying too hard. Well, I was talking about how to vlog, but yeah, it feels like I was trying too hard. It doesn't feel natural at all. I went on the road, said I was going to go to the beach, and finally reached to the beach. I wanted to record. Take my camera out, start recording, no memory card. I was like, oh my god, I have to go all the way back home, which is here, to get back my memory card, to get my memory card. Pain in the butt. I'm gonna have to drink it later. So good, but so hot. So I have this Christmas tree, and I bought this Christmas lights for the Christmas tree. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's solar powered, but sometimes it works, sometimes it does not work. I'm gonna see. Probably I'm gonna have to put it outside so to get sunlight, more sunlight. It was raining for the past 2 days, so I was charging it inside by turning on the light, but it's pretty cool. And then it's dead again. Well, no, I'm lying. I'm gonna put it outside on the patio for all night and all day, so I can charge it. I'm gonna leave it here. There's not quite enough sun to hit it, so I'm gonna have to turn it around like this, I guess. Or like this. Better. I'm gonna have to turn it in the sun like this. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Look at her, all sunny and shiny. Oh crap, never mind. Go in the sun more. Yeah, no, that's what I'm talking about. So beautiful. Oh, these are my flowers. They're not really flowers, but they're mints to make tea. My other baby died. I give him sun. Hopefully she will come back. But looking good. My star right there. ETT. I have to wipe the table off. Wipe the table off, table off, table off. I can see my reflection. And this is my other baby. I have the controller right here. I barely use this, so I'm thinking about selling it, so I don't know yet. I gotta fix the couch. I messed it up last night. Didn't get a chance to fix it. bought this battery charger on Amazon. I got to say I like it so far. It's a USB one, so you can plug it in the car and charge my batteries while I'm driving. Official Canon battery, not official Canon battery. As you can see, it's from these guys. So I'm heading to work. Right now I'm not late. I'm supposed to be there at 9 now. The time now is like what, 8:30. 30 minutes drive from here to work. It should be fine. I wanted to make a good time lapse, and I make a time lapse yesterday. It wasn't bad. It's just that it wasn't good at all. I'm gonna try and make one. So I decided to stop at the park today. I don't exactly know what the name of the park is, but the park is actually nice. Like really nice. Take a look. I mean, take a look at that water. What time is it? I have 10 minutes left, but I think I'm gonna be late for work today. I can't help it. I really gotta go to work, but I don't care at the moment. We should see a scroll or something though. Feel like I'm exercising. I'm already tired. Out of shape. It's really nice. I really don't want to go to work. It's really nice. It's really cool. Not so many sun hitting me. I don't want to go to work. Yeah, that's it. I'm late for work, so I gotta go. Work vibes. 9:26. I don't think I'm gonna make it to work today. Just joking. I'm gonna make it to work, but I just don't want to go. I should seriously take a picture of this place. It's cool. Yeah, it's really nice. The guy over there playing with his dog next to the water.